In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in ElevenLabs. This is a super handy feature that allows you to tailor your experience to your preferred language, making it easier and more enjoyable to use. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open your profile settings. So, if you have your ElevenLabs account ready, go ahead and log in. Once you're signed in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the dashboard screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on that, and a pop-up menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Settings. Now that you're in the settings, it's time to change the app language. Inside the Settings panel, look for something called the Language drop-down menu. Click on that, and you'll see a list of different languages available for you to choose from. Select your preferred language, and just like that, you've updated the application's user interface text to match your choice. Now let's move on to generating your text-to-speech. This part is really exciting and opens up a world of possibilities for creating audio in different languages. In the Creation panel, you'll find a Model Selector dropdown. Here, choose the 11v3 model. This version is specially designed to support localized generation in over 70 different languages, which is fantastic if you're looking to work with multilingual text. Once you've selected the V3 model, it's time to input the content you want to convert to speech. You can simply type out or paste your script directly into the text box. If you're working with a specific target language, make sure that the text you input matches that language. The wonderful part about ElevenLabs is that it comes with a feature that automatically detects the language of your script. So once you paste or type your text, the system will recognize it and generate the spoken audio in that language seamlessly. It really is as simple as that. You've successfully changed the language settings in ElevenLabs and prepared your text for generation. Not only can you navigate through the application in your chosen language, but now you can also create high-quality spoken audio in a variety of languages too. If you followed along, I hope you're feeling confident about using ElevenLabs to produce text-to-speech audio in your preferred language. It's an amazing tool for creators everywhere, whether you're making educational content, presentations, or even fun projects. So there you have it. You now know how to change the language in ElevenLabs and make the most out of this powerful platform. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.